Hey y'all, today is, gosh, what day is today? Hang on a sec. Alright, it doesn't matter. So, today, I'm finally back from being super duper sick, and I got a welder for Christmas. And if you're interested, this is the rods that it uses. And then, or that's the rods that I have anyway. So I just stuck some stuff together. Like, I made a lump of stuff on that. And then I stuck two pieces of scrap metal together and used up the whole rod, making a pile of shit. So that was great fun. It was great fun. Figuring out how to stick things together. So that'll be, you can see kind of my setup here. That'll be a great tool to have. That'll be a great tool to have for the shop, so I can make tools and stuff like that. Hang that there. And yeah, it's gonna be wonderful. I'll probably do a video about teaching myself to weld and doing like beginner projects and stuff. But for the time being, the next few days, I'm just gonna be sticking random pieces of scrap metal from my scrap metal bin together. And then we'll see how far that takes us. So yeah. If you're a welder and you know things, feel free to drop all of your knowledge down in the comments. I need all the help I can get. And then subscribe as well. Because why not? They're going to be doing lots more cool shit over the coming weeks with the Viking Challenge and all that. So, oh yeah, I got a mail call. And I made one of those carbide tipped ball hammers for straightening knives, and it works great. That was a few days ago. But you can see this knife was all wonky, and now it's nice and straight. There's all the little dents in it. My fingers are very cold. It's like 20 degrees out. So they barely work. But yeah. Subscribe so you can see what happens in the future if I blow myself up with my welder. And then, yeah, oh jeez, this is a long video. Okay, bye.